अच्छा।
बोलो
कैसे बताना कैसे करना है?
बोलो तो वीडियो चल रही।
हम डॉक्टर त्यागी बता दूँ।
हम्म
I'm Dr. Tyagi, MSc PhD Botany in Ecophysiology and
कल हाँ हाँ बोलो तो बोलो अगर मोबाइल दिखा भाई
and
चल ठीक है तो बोलो
formerly I was lecturer. Then I became Mathura. Nowadays I am teaching to students of medical NEET, NAT and for ISPCS etc. If you
इसमें
want
देखो
any problem, if you want any problem, then you can ask me. Today I am teaching you termination or permanent method of birth control. In vasectomy, the difference of male is cut and it is cut off and tied up, and then the sperm does not go to the outside. It is a very good method. In the female, it is called vasectomy. Vasectomy, the fallopian tubes are cut and tied up with thread, and there is no ovulation and there is no pregnancy.
बोलो बोलो तुम
In inequality of sexes. If you see in parents, then chromosomes are XX, and in mother is XX and father is XY. When they produce gametes, then in male XY sperms are formed, and in female XXX are formed. When X combines with X sperm, then it is daughter, and if it combines with the egg combines with X combined, then it is female. Female is formed. Now, women plays a very important role in the continuity in the maintaining of the fertility, and in men, there it is failure in the birth for the together and the birth. Now I am discussing you MTP, Medical Termination of Protocol. मेडिकल टर्मिनेशन प्रोटोकॉल का मतलब है कि जो एम्ब्रियो होता है, इट इज़ वास्ट और इट इज़ come to the outside, it is called medical termination protocol. The medical termination protocol in India is legalized from 1973, and in the first trimester it is not risky, but after three trimester it can be done, but after that it is risky. In about 15 to 50 million of MTP are done in a year, will cover the world population birth of the total number of pregnancy of a year. Now I am telling you what are STD. STD means sexually transmitted disease. The disease which is caused in the male and female during the copulation, that is sexually transmitted disease. First reproductive tract infection, RTIs, and pathogens are caused by the bacteria, fungi, and virus. Now we see that consequence of delayed treatment various diseases are caused. Efforts of government, the government is taking place. It is taking a great pain, and in hospitals it is free. It can be prevented by various methods. Number one, avoid sex with unknown parents. One should always use condom. If a person is a double, then it should not create sex with STD. Confirmatory tests for finally transmitted disease. First is culture. When the culture is done, then the bacteria and the other pathogens can be diagnosed. Second is direction of specific antigen antibody, that is decided by test of antigen and antibody. Next is DNA hybridization. By the X-ray method and by the other method it is diagnosed. And next is polymerase chain method, PCR. In this method the diagnosis is done. Number 8, the cause by bacteria. First is by syphilis pathogen, that is Treponema pallidum. It enters in the urinary tract. There is swelling and there is pain in that structure, and then the treatment is taken by antibiotic. Diagnosis, that it is diagnosed by the clinical symptom, and transmission through by this in this disease by male to female is checked. Incubation period from 10 to 90 days, and treatment it is done through appropriate antibiotics, for example penicillin, etc. Now we see the diagnosis. It is carried by the clinical symptoms. Transmission takes place through sexual contact, and incubation period is 3 to 5 days. Treatment, disease can be cured through the appropriate antibiotics. Next is Chanceroid pathogen. Chanceroid pathogen is bacteria. In this there is a lot of pain. It can be done by the diagnosis, by the treatment, by the various treatments. Transmission takes place through sexual contact. Treatment effective, antibiotics are taken, and for example erythromycin and penicillin, etc. Next, caused by virus. AIDS pathogen, that is caused by human immunodeficiency syndrome. Actually, this disease takes place in male and female, but generally it takes place by the generally it is done by blood transfusion and by the sexual contact from opposite sex. This disease takes place, and transmission by blood transfusion takes place. Treatment through, there is no cure of AIDS, as size of certain drugs are taken place. They are judovidine and azidomycin, AZD. Hepatitis B pathogen is hepatitis B virus, HBV. The symptom include fatigue, include skin becomes yellow and abdominal pain. And while hepatitis B can be diagnosed by the by the antigen test, and hepatitis B, it is caused by HBS, diagnosed by ELISA test. Permission male of transmission body, the blood transfusion should not taken place. It is caused by blood transfusion. Next is incubation period 30 to 10 to 80 days. Treatment is incurable STD. Vaccination provided through recombinant DNA technology, etc. And for hepatitis B, STD caused by SCV, hepatitis C virus. Next is genital herpes. बंद कर दो।
हो गया
क्या कितना टाइम हो गया?
हुआ था ना